Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are going to discuss an essential topic, energy risk management within the framework of ISO 50001, the International Standard for Energy Management Systems. This standard provides a systematic approach to improving energy performance and mitigating energy-related risks. Let's dive into the key aspects of energy risk management as per ISO 50001. Identifying energy risks. The first step in energy risk management is identifying potential risks associated with energy usage. These could include fluctuations in energy prices, disruptions in energy supply, dependence on non-renewable energy sources, regulatory changes or non-compliance. Organizations need to assess these risks to understand their impact on operations and energy performance. Risk assessment and prioritization. After identifying the risks, the next step is to assess their likelihood and potential impact. For instance, what are the chances of an energy supply interruption? How significant would the impact of price volatility be on your business? By ranking risks based on their severity, organizations can prioritize their efforts to manage them effectively. Developing a risk mitigation strategy. ISO 50001 emphasizes proactive measures to mitigate energy risks. Some strategies include diversifying energy sources to reduce dependency on a single provider, investing in renewable energy solutions like solar or wind, improving energy efficiency through technology updates and process optimization, establishing energy storage systems to manage supply fluctuations. These actions not only reduce risks but also align with sustainability goals. Monitoring and reviewing energy risks. Continuous monitoring is critical to ensure that energy risk management strategies are effective. Organizations should regularly review their energy consumption patterns, conduct periodic audits to identify new risks, update their energy risk management plan based on changes in the external environment, such as market trends or regulatory requirements. Integration with business continuity planning. Energy risks can significantly impact business continuity. ISO 50001 recommends integrating energy risk management with the organization's overall risk and business continuity strategies. This ensures a coordinated approach to managing disruptions and maintaining operations. So friends, this is how energy risk management forms a crucial part of ISO 50001. By identifying, assessing, and mitigating energy risks, organizations can achieve energy efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance resilience against uncertainties. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about energy risk management or ISO 50001, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.